How to freeze your location in Snapchat. First up, open up the Snapchat app and head towards the map section. Then click on the top right settings emoji that you can see. Here, the first option that you see is the ghost mode. On clicking the button, you have three options on your screen. If you want to enable the ghost mode for a time basis, you can click on 3 hours or 24 hours. Or you can click on until turned off and turn it back off any time that you wish for. When ghost mode is enabled, your friends cannot see your last active location, and that is why your location can be freezed. To ensure your location is turned off, you can go ahead to settings, scroll down until you see the Snapchat app option, click on it, and on the first option of location, click on location and ensure that your precise location is turned off, and even better, you can click on allow location access to never. This will allow Snapchat to not have your location data, and this is how you can easily freeze your location. We hope this tutorial helped you. Keep watching for more and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.